let me show you how to store a Ryobi string trimmer. Having them stood up against the wall is all well and good until you knock it over and break it. But if you look on the Ryobi handle here, this little mechanism is more than what you think it is. All you need to do is screw a screw or even a nail into the wall, and this big part here on the handle will slip over the screw and come down, and there you go. Perfect. Your Ryobi string trimmer is stored out of harm's way and won't get knocked over or anything like that. So that little mechanism there, what you see, the screw goes into this part here, the big opening slots up into here and holds the string trimmer onto the wall. Perfect, as you can see. So that's the best way how to store a Ryobi string trimmer. If you found this video helpful, could you do me a favour by hitting the like button and the subscribe? But most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.